Students, myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar, I welcome you all in this chemistry lab of first year engineering of College of Engineering and Technology, Akulu. Today we are dealing with the study of experiment of to determine acid value of given sample of oil. Here the oil which we are going to use is a lubricating oil. Okay. Now first of all we will perform this experiment and then we will see its explanation. Okay. Here as we have to determine oil, we have to determine acid from oil. Whenever acid it is present in oil more than 0.1 gram, means whenever acid value is more than 0.1 gram, it is harmful for the life of engine when oil it is used in vehicles. So here we are going to calculate that how much acid is present in oil, and it is being calculated by the presence of KOH, because we know that KOH is a base and acid value is to be determined. So by the help of base, by the process of neutralization reaction, we will here carry out experiment of this titration. First of all, here which is this glass tube which is just here, it is called as a burette. Burette is attached to the burette stand. Then this is a conical flask, and here those reagents which are required are N/10 KOH. As I told already that base is required to neutralize acid. That's why we are using here titrate as a base, that is KOH, and its concentration is N/10, that is 0.1 normal. Then it's a phenolphthalein which is an indicator. So as it is an acid base indicator, when it is to be shown the acid, it is used as colorless to pink, and whenever it is used for the base, it is pink to colorless. Okay. Then this is a ethanol. Ethanol, it is used just as a medium for the acid, so that there should be proper reaction. Okay. Now we will see here. First of all, I took this ethanol, 50 ml of ethanol in this conical flask, and 5 gram of oil I took already. It is weighed on the balance properly, and then I took this 5 gram of oil in this conical flask. You can see this, and in this as a medium I use ethanol 50 ml. And after that I carried out, you can see here, I carried out here that is boiling of oil in this heating mantle for about half an hour, for 30 minutes continuously boiled. This solution is there, and then I got solution like this. You can see here, and now I will titrate this solution with KOH by adding indicator as a phenolphthalein. So this phenolphthalein, I am taking this phenolphthalein, just 1 to 2 drops. So with the help of this graduated pipette, I am going to take phenolphthalein in it. So when once it is added, it's colorless first of all, and as soon as with the addition of base, it becomes pink. So you can see here, and that black color, those which is there is nothing but the color of oil, as I took here oil which is used oil from the vehicle. Okay. Now I am going to titrate it. So you can see here, I will add here. First of all, KOH it is totally filled into this burette up to the 0 mark, as this burette is of 50 ml from 0 to 50, from upper to lower. And here I am going to add drop wise here KOH through this burette with a shaking of solution. So continuously I will shake this solution. So as this oil, it is up to 5 gram, so it will require more base as there is more acid value is or presence of acid is there in this oil. Somewhat pinkish color is there. Some not very then I added it. So you can see, students, there is a pink color. As this oil is too much black, it is somewhat difficult to see, but you can see here. Can you see? It is a pink colored solution. When I shake, I can see this pink color. So in this way, I got here reading of 12 ml. So 12 ml of KOH is required to neutralize 5 grams of acid. So up to this, I think that you understood this experiment and we have got this particular pink color. Now we will see, or we will move toward the calculations. In calculations, reagents required are N by 10 KOH. We have seen already that is 0.1 normal, neutral ethyl alcohol and phenolphthalein indicator. Now how reaction occurs? Whenever such a fatty acids are present in that oil, when KOH comes down dropwise through the burette, then here there is a formation of this particular salt of this fatty acid, that is potassium stearate. This particular 17 membered carbon is there and removal of H2O is there. And as phenolphthalein I have used, I got here color change from colorless to blue. So as soon as there is a formation of this C17, H35, COK totally formed by the acid, then remaining those KOH is falling down, dropping down, it will show pink color with that acid, now or by the presence of phenolphthalein. Okay. Now I got here reading of KOH, that is KOH which is dropped down is 12 ml. Okay. Now you can see here formula for acid value, number of ml of N by 10 KOH run down. So number of ml, it is 12 ml run down into normality of KOH, it is 0.1 and plus into 50 into 56. So 56 is a molecular weight of KOH. Potassium 39, oxygen 60 and hydrogen 1. In this way it is 56. While and divided by weight of the oil taken. So I took the oil 5 gram. Now this 56, it is written here, I wrote here as a 5.6. It is because I took this normality of KOH 0.1. So you may have seen in your manual, it is directly this formula is given, but this is from this one. So 5.6 is because molecular weight of KOH into 0.1. Okay, so number of ml of KOH, it is 12. I will put like this into here, that multiplication sign, into 5.6 divided by weight of oil taken, that is 5 gram. So those calculation will come here, that is milligram of oil. So this is in this way you can easily calculate now 12 into 56, that is 5.6 divided by 5. So here those value will come, that is milligram of oil, milligram, that is nothing but acid value. So students, when acid value, why we calculate acid value of lubricating oil? It is because acid value, when it is more than 0.1, it is definitely its calculation is more than 0.1 milligrams per gram. So whenever it is more than 0.1, it is not useful for the engine of vehicles. So for that we generally calculate acid value, and in this way we have performed the experiment of determination of acid value of the given sample of lubricating oil. Thank you very much.